How to adjust your photo settings on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to adjust photo setting on your iPhone. To change your photo settings, you can easily do this by going to your settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and look for the camera and open it. Next, tap the formats, and then in here you can easily adjust the resolution that you want. If you choose high efficiency, it can capture up to 4K at 60 FPS. If you choose most compatible, then it will automatically reduce the file size and always use JPEG H.246 format. And that's basically how you can adjust photo settings. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.